Hi everybody. I'm going to try a little experiment. So what I've got here is I've used red house paint and I've covered my canvas. Then I've done some swirls with my white, purple, gold paints. I'm going to try a balloon smash and see what happens. I just thought it might be fun to try. This is Rust-Oleum white metallic. I have Rust-Oleum gold metallic, and then I have, what is this one? It's a purple, oh, I think it's a metallic purple by Artist Loft. I better write a label on that one. Excuse me. Anyway, I'll put a little gold in the middle. This might be a joke, I don't know. Got one big balloon. Just need to clear a spot here. Alright, let's see what happens here. I'm going to do a couple of experiments, but this one I'm just going to push down slowly and lift up slowly. Whoa! Well, isn't that cool? That's so cool. Well, look at all those little cells. The balloon looks cool too. Maybe I'll just let that dry on the balloon. I can peel it off later. I can see I should have pushed more on this side. But that's very cool. I'm going to try another one. It's just a short little video I wanted to show. I'm going to put my finger here. I'll hold it up for you. Very cute, very pretty. I guess I just need a little more practice, and we'll see what we can get. All right, Thanks for coming by. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.